Yo, this YouTuber earned over $58,000 in 1 month. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a week ago, I was doing my thing on YouTube, doing my daily scroll, and I seen where this fairly popular YouTuber in the make money online niche, she did a video talking about how much she made from 1,000 views, like how much YouTube pays you for 1,000 views, right? So of course I watched it, and she was just going over her stats for 2023, like her YouTube ad stats, all right? And she was just showing, you know, how much she made, blah, 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 right? So she pointed out that in one of her months, one of them, she had made over $58,000 in 1 month. Now look, if you watching this and you a YouTuber and you somebody who's just getting started or been doing it for a while and you're trying to make that YouTube ad money, this should be motivation for you, right? Just to see that somebody, to be able to see that it's possible to earn that kind of money just from one aspect of YouTube, just the YouTube ad money, right? And that's not to mention if, you know, she's promoting anything in that video, she's, you know, got an affiliate link or something like that. This is strictly from YouTube ad money. She earned over $58,000 in that 1 month. And all the other months, you know, she was making $30,000, $20,000, $40,000, you know, from her channel. So that shit right there is very, very motivating. But at the same time, you know, I do realize, now, by the way, just to tell you who the YouTuber was, I don't know her first name, but her channel is Journey with the Hintons, right? You could look it up, whatever. You might even, I'm sure you probably seen her before, but anyway. So she has damn near like, I don't know if she got like 900,000 subscribers or 1,000,000 subscribers. You know, and every video she drops, she gets like at least 20, 30,000 views because she built up her channel, right? Which if you're a YouTuber, that's what you should be doing anyway, right? But I do believe that, you know, it helps her that she has a lot of subscribers, right? And her videos, when she drop them, she get a lot of views. But damn all that, right? The bottom line is that kind of money can be made on YouTube. Now, being all the way real, she's making that kind of money because she's in a niche that pays very well on YouTube. The make money online, the finance, you do get paid a lot per 1,000 views compared to maybe like an entertainment channel or maybe a cooking channel or something like that. But the fact of the matter is there are a lot of people in different niches that maybe not be making $58,000 a month, but they're making $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 a month strictly from their YouTube ads. So I ain't gonna lie to you, as somebody with a make money online channel, this is the type of shit that motivates me and keeps me going, because obviously these are the type of numbers I want to hit, but I am fully aware that I'm gonna have to go hard, keep on producing content, keep on experimenting, but most importantly, keep on going. And if you are somebody who was taking YouTube serious and you really want to make some money from this platform, you should just know it is possible.